Hello, so today I'm gonna show you how you can just make your PowerPoint presentation with just easy step help of AI. So here I have the file. Okay, let me show you the file, which is the report. As you can say, this is the report. Okay, so this is SolidWorks reports. Now I have to create a PPT of this. What we have to do, first of all, we will go to the ChatGPT and I will say like I have to put this file in this. Now ChatGPT supports the PDF files too, so I have to write the prompt. I need a PPT prompt proper which gives all the details properly of every slide. So he just gave me all the slides, preparation, introduction and all these things. Now what I have to do, I have to just say to him, I need this in one paragraph, create it, create it in a long way. Okay, so now it's ChatGPT just going to give me a paragraph which is generated in a long way with all details. And once I will get this, let's move to the AI tool which is going to create our PowerPoint presentation, which is just we have to write PPT AI. And now we are going to get a little bit down, you will get here the free AI presentation maker slides go. Okay, so now I'm just logging in to our Gmail, and once it's done we have to go to the page where we have to select some of the quantities, some of the categories in which we are working. So we have to select the student and educator or something like that. So here I'm just going to select the marketer. Okay, so we have to save this, and now the prompt we got from here, it is a little bit detailed and still is continuing giving the data of whole, we can say the whole report, PPT presentation slides. Once it's done, we were just going to get this prompt in this prompt. So we're just going in air presentation maker and we have to paste this whole prompt, and we have to further select next. Now it is going to generate our slides which we have already told in the prompt what we need, how it need to be look like, and what are the things we need in the slide. These all the things will done once at its point after generating with help of AI. So after that it will just going to say us like what type of template you need, what type of thing you are going to submit, and what items you need in that. So we just going to select that once it's done. Okay, so now here also you can see the whole slides, uh, headings and everything, but real now we can change it after that. First of all we need a template of those slides and a very catchy one. Okay, so here we got some new templates designs in which you can select what suits to your project mostly it's best. Okay, so now my project is a little bit with the machine, so I'm just going to select some tech template from here. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm just selecting this one. You can select any of, just after selecting you have to save the generate and download presentation. Once it will generate and copy all of your data in the slides, it will give you a prompt to download the file. So let me show you after downloading the file once it's done. Okay, you can just scroll here and see which type of template you are required to submit, like your work stands for. Now it's giving the download button once it's done. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I'm just telling you, you have a lot of different templates you need to present, like your work is regarding data science or something relative, so you have to select from here the data science template or any of thing, and summary. Like this is longitudinal data analysis template. You can select this, or you can select sometime uh, design inspiration, company profile, or artificial intelligence in finance, and there are a lot of different templates. Okay, so now moving to the presentation, which is the complete results we got from here. So I have a Office LTSE version. You have the full, so you can get more enjoyable experience over there, and that was a really great thing for you. So there it is our 12 pages. We can say the 12 slide presentation. Moving on one. Okay, that's great. That looks great. This is the title of slide one. Okay, that's also good. All things are good. You can see. Also, it added the pictures from AI, and it looks really good. It's just giving a very theme according to my report, and I need that type of pictures from Google, but it automatically gives all the things which I have required. So it's a really good thing. So make sure that you can enjoy this, and if you got a little bit knowledge from my video, just click on a like, subscribe, and comment, and give me a feedback so I can make more videos good and better. Okay, thank you.